On last turn, we have studied what are like and unlike terms. Let us once more recall how to find the given terms are like or unlike. For this, first we should ignore the numerical coefficient, that is, if we are given two terms minus 3xy and minus 3x square y, then if we are given three terms, one is minus 3x square y, second is 3xy, and the third term is 3yx square. Then to find which are like terms, we will first ignore the numerical part. That is, the numerical coefficient of this term is minus 3. In this, it is 3, and in this term, it is again 3. So we should ignore this part and look for the algebraic part. Now in this algebraic part, the number of variables are 2, that is x and y. Here the variable is x and the second variable is y. In this again we have a variable x and the next second variable is y. In this term we have one variable as y and the other variable as x. Now we should compare the powers of these variables. First, we have seen that all these three terms have the same variables, that is x and y, in all these three terms. Now let us see the powers of these variables. Now in the first term, the power of x is 2. In the second term, the power of x is 1. And in the third term, the power of x is 2. Now looking at the powers of these variables, that is x, we can say that these two are not like terms and these two are also not like terms, since the power of x here is 2 and the power of x here is 1. Again, if we compare these two terms, then the power of x is 1 here and the power of x is 2 here. Now we compare the second variable, that is y. Now power of y in this term is 1, again is in this term is 1, and again in this term is 1. Now since these two are not like terms, we are not going to compare these two terms. We are going to compare these two terms since these two terms were having same power of x. Now the power of y here is 1 and the power of y here is also 1. So the algebraic part of this term and algebraic part of this term are same. Therefore these two are the like terms. And these two were the unlike terms. In this we have to see one more thing, that the order of multiplication of the variables, that is x square, here x square is first multiplied by y and in this y is multiplied by x. So the order of multiplication does not matter, since 2 into 3 is equals to 3 into 2. That is both are equals to 6. Therefore the order of multiplication of the variables does not matter. What we have to see is that the variables are same and the powers of these variables must be same. Then the two terms will be like terms. For example, these two terms are like terms since the variables are xy and the powers of x is 2 here, and in this also power of x is 2. The power of y, that is second variable, is 1, and in this also the power of second variable, that is y, is 1. Next is types of algebraic expressions. Now first one is mono, means 1. Therefore an algebraic expression containing only one term is known as a monomial. For example, minus 2xy is a monomial, minus 3x is a monomial, 5x square, y square, z is also a monomial. These three are monomial, examples of monomial, since these expressions contain only one term. Second is binomial. Bi means 2. That is an expression containing two terms. For example, 2xy minus 3x. This expression contains two terms. First term is minus 2xy and the second term is minus 3x. Therefore, this is a binomial. Now, if I write a term 3x square plus y square plus 3x square. Now, first we have to simplify this expression because we can see that there are two like terms, that is 3x square and 3x square. So first we will simplify these two terms and we will write it as 3x square and we will rearrange it and plus 3x square plus y square. 3x square plus 3x square will be 6x square plus y square. Now this is again a binomial because it contains two terms. First term is 6x square and second term is y square. Third is trinomial. Tri means 3. That is a term containing 3 terms. Expression containing 3. A trinomial is expression containing 3 unlike terms. For example, an expression having 2x plus 3 is an trinomial. An algebraic expression 2x plus 3y plus z is a trinomial since it contains 3 terms, that is 2x, 3y and z. 3 different terms that are 3 unlike terms, therefore it is a trinomial. Next is quadrinomial. Quadra means 4. That means an expression containing 4 terms. For example, 3x square minus 5y square plus 3xy plus 5x. Now this expression has 4 different, that is unlike terms, that is 3x square minus 5x minus 5y square plus 3xy and 5y. Therefore, it is a quadrinomial. It is having 4 unlike terms. In general, an expression having one or more terms is called a polynomial. An expression having one or more term is known as a polynomial. All these algebraic expression which we have studied just now, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial. All these are also known as polynomials, and the terms having more than 4 terms do not have a particular name, thus we call them as polynomials only. Now to find that which type of polynomial is 7x square plus 5x plus 9x plus 3y square. First we have to see that are there any like terms. So we can see that 5x and 9x are the like terms and all the others are unlike terms. So first we have to simplify these two terms. Now 7x square plus 5 plus 9 will be 14x plus 3y square. Now the total number of terms in this expression is 1, 2 and 3. Therefore it is a trinomial. Now let us understand how to add and subtract the algebraic expressions. Now let us understand how to add and subtract like and unlike terms. Let us now understand how to add and subtract like terms. Only like terms can be simplified and unlike terms cannot be simplified. So let us see how to do this. We are having a term minus 3xy. We are having a term 3xy and 5xy. These two are like terms since the algebraic part of both these are same. So first we have to add these terms, that is 3xy plus 5xy. Now 3xy can be written as 3 into xy and 5xy can be written as 5 into xy. Both these terms are having xy common, so we will take xy as common and we are applying the distributive property, that is inverse of distributive property. Now we will collect 3 and 5 in the bracket. It will be equals to 3 plus 5 is 8xy. So 3xy plus 5xy is equals to 8xy. Next example, to add 3ab plus 17ab plus 2ab. Now since all these three are like terms, so we have to just add their numerical coefficients, that is 3 plus 7 plus 2 and ab as common. Now 3 plus 7 is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. Therefore the answer is 12ab. Next is how to subtract the terms. If we have to subtract 4xy from 9xy, so here we have to subtract 4xy from 9xy. Here we have to understand that we have to subtract 4xy from 9xy, that is 9xy minus 4xy. We are subtracting 4xy from 9xy. Now here also we have to just simplify the numerical coefficient, that is 9, and here numerical coefficient is minus 4 and xy is common. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Therefore the solution is 5xy. Now let us understand how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. Add and subtract algebraic expressions. Just now we have understood how to add the like terms. Now if we are given two expressions, that is 3x plus 11 and another expression 7x minus 5. So first we will understand how to add these two terms. Now first, to add these terms we will write 3x plus 11 plus 7x minus 5. Now we will open the bracket. 3x plus 11 plus 7x minus 5. Now the like terms here are 3x and 7x and 11 and minus 5. So first we will rearrange this expression as 3x plus 7x. We will write the like terms together, then plus 11 minus 5. Now 3x plus 7 will be equals to 3 plus 7x and plus 11 minus 5 will be equals to, now 7 plus 3 will be 10. Therefore 10x plus 6 is the answer. Now if we have to subtract these two terms, that is we have to subtract 3x plus 11 from 7x minus 5. So we will write 7x minus 5 minus 3x plus 11. Since we have to subtract 3x plus 11 from 7x minus 5. So first we will write 7x minus 5 and then we will subtract 3x plus 11 from it. Here we have to understand that first we will open the bracket, and while opening the bracket, since it is having a minus sign in front of it, therefore the sign of each term inside the bracket will change. See, first 3x has a positive sign, therefore it will have a negative sign since its sign will change when we open the bracket. Now 11 is also having a plus sign, therefore its sign will also change and become minus 11. Now the like terms are 7x and minus 3x, minus 5 and minus 11. So we will rearrange this and write it as 7x minus 3x minus 5 minus 11. Now 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3x minus 11 and minus 5 will be, since these two are having same sign, the numbers will get added, that is it will be 16 and will have the common sign, that is minus. Now 7 minus 3 is 4x minus 16. Now let us see one more example. We have to collect the like terms and simplify the expression, that is collect the like terms and simplify the expression. 12m square minus 9m plus 5m minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10. Now first we will find out the like terms, that is, see here first term is 12m square. Now we will find that any term having the algebraic part as m square, so we can see that minus 4m square having the same algebraic part as 12m square. So these two are the like terms. So we can write these two together. Now the second term here is minus 9m. Now we will try to find out any term having the algebraic part as m. So we can see that 5m is having m. Then minus 7m is also having an algebraic part as m. So these three are the like terms. So we will write them together: minus 9m plus 5m minus 7m. Now the remaining part, that is 10, will be written as it is. 10 will be written as it is, since it does not have any like terms. Now we can simplify this. 12m square minus 4, that is 12 minus 4 is 8m square. Now 9, that is of minus, 5 is of plus and 7 is of minus sign. Therefore 7 and 9 will get added, it will be equals to 16, and we have to subtract 5 from it, since 5 is having plus sign. Therefore it will be equals to minus 11m and 10 will be as it is. So this is the solution of the given question. We have to just find the like terms and simplify their numerical coefficients and we will get the value. Next example is subtract 24ab minus 10b minus 18a from 30ab plus 12b plus 14a. Now we have to subtract this from this. So first we will write 30ab plus 12b plus 14a, and we have to subtract 24ab minus 10b minus 18a from it. Now again here we have to keep in mind that when we are going to open this bracket, we have to change the sign of each term, since it is having a minus sign outside the bracket. So we will write it as 30ab plus 12b plus 14a minus 24ab. Now sign of 10b will change and it will become plus 10b plus 18a. Now here we have to find the like terms first. So the like terms are 30ab and minus 24ab. So we will write 30ab and minus 24ab together. Second is 12b and here it is 10b. So we will write plus 12b and 10b together. The last term is 14a and here it is 18a. So plus 14a plus 18a. Now 30ab minus 24ab, that is 30 minus 24 is 6ab. 12b plus 10b will be equals to 22b. And 14a plus 18a will be equals to 32a. So this is the solution of the given question. One more question. What should be added? To x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy. Now we have to add something to this term to get this. That is, we have added this to get this. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract this term from this. So we will get the term which should be subtracted or which should be added to x square plus xy, plus how to find the term which should be added to this to obtain this. Now if I have been given a question that what should be added to 2 to get 3, so we can simply find by subtracting 2 from 3. That is what we are getting. We have to subtract the term which is to be added to the next term. Here the obtained term is this one and we have to add to this term, something to this term. So here we are adding something to 2 and we are subtracting 2 from the 3. So here at the place of 3 it is 2x square plus 3xy, and at the place of 2 it is x square plus xy plus y square. So to get the term which should be added to this, we will subtract x square plus xy plus y square from 2x square plus 3xy, that is 2x square plus 3xy minus x square plus xy plus y square. Now we know how to simplify this type of question. 2x square plus 3xy. Now when we subtract, we will change the sign of all the terms, that is minus x square, minus xy and minus y square. Now the like terms are 2x square and minus x square. So we will write these terms together, 2x square minus x square. Next is 3xy and minus xy. So we will write these terms together, 3xy minus xy. And the last term here is minus y square, which is not having any like term. Therefore it will be written as it is. Now 2x square minus x square means 2 minus 1. Therefore it will be x square. Whenever no number is written before the algebraic part, therefore it is understood that 1 is written here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1x square plus now 3xy minus xy. This means plus 2xy. Since 3 minus 1 is 2 and y square is written as it is. So this is the number, or we can say this is the algebraic expression which should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to get 2x square plus 3xy. Next question is, what should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Now what should be subtracted from this? That is, we have to subtract a number from this, or we can say algebraic expression from this to get this. Now if I say what should be subtracted from 7 to get 5. So we can just simply subtract 5 from 7 and we will get 2. Now you can check, when we subtract 2 from 7 we get 5. So to get the number which should be subtracted from 7 to get 5, we have subtracted 5 from 7. Here we have to, the question is that what should be subtracted from this to get this. So we are just going to subtract 3ab, we are just going to subtract minus 3a plus 7b plus 16 from 2a plus 8b plus 10. That is, at the place of 7 it is written 2a plus 8b plus 10, and at the place of 2 it is written 3a plus 7b plus 16. So we have to subtract 3a plus 7b plus 16 from 2a plus 8b plus 10. So we will subtract minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. Now again here we will open the bracket. So it will be plus, since the sign will change. So minus 3ab will become plus 3a minus 7b minus 16. Now the like terms are 2a and 3a. So 2a plus 3a, then 8b minus 7b, then 10 and minus 16. These are the like terms. So they will be written together. Now 3 plus 2 is 5a. 8 minus 7 will be simply b, and it will be minus 6. 10 minus 16 will be minus 6. So this should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a 7b plus 16. Next is finding the value of an expression. It is very simple to find the value of an expression. That is, for example, we have to find the value of expression x. We have to find the value of expression x plus 4 at x is equals to 2. So simply we have to just put the value of x as 2 in this expression. So it will be equals to, at the place of x I will put 2. So 2 plus 4, it will be equals to 6. Now if I have to find the value of this expression at x is equals to 3. So at the place of x I will put 3 plus 4, it will be equals to 7. Again if I have to find the value of this same expression at x is equals to minus 2. At the place of x I will put minus 2 plus 4 will be equals to 2. Let us see another example. To find the value of 4x minus 3 at x is equals to 1. So we have to just put the value of x as 1 minus 3. Now 4 into 1 will be 4 minus 3, which will be equals to 1. Now again if I have to find the value of the same expression at x is equals to 5. So I will put 5 at the place of x, and 4 was written before it. This means multiplication minus 3. It will be equals to 4 into 5 will be 20 minus 3. So it will be equals to 17. Again I have to find the value of this expression at x is equals to 0. Then 4 into 0, that is, at the place of x I have written 0 minus 3. So 4 into 0 will be 0 minus 3, and the answer will be minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Now if I have to find the value of x square minus 1 at x is equals to 1. So I will put the value of x as 1 and square minus 1. Now 1 ka square is 1 and minus 1 will be equals to 0. Similarly, if I have to find the value of the same expression, that is x square minus 1 at x is equals to 2. So at the place of x I will put 2 ka square minus 1. So 2 ka square will be 4 and minus 1 will be equals to 3. So this is the answer.